started the chapter on decimals, and we did the place value and how to read the numbers, how to write it in fractions. So let's recall the place value in the fractions. And after that, we'll continue with something new. So the place value before the decimals is like before: ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. Now after the decimal point, the place value of the first digit is in the tens place. What? Tens. T-E-N-T-H-S. 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. 3 is in thousands place. Tens, T-H-S. T-H-T-S. Okay, it's short form. Tens. T-E-N-T-H-S. Hundreds, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S. And this is in the thousands place. Now today what we are going to do is, we are going to learn how to write in words. For example, this is how much? 46. So we write F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. This is how much? 367. So we write 367. Write in words, but it's here in decimals, it's expressed in words. Those are same thing. But remember that if there's no decimal, means these are whole numbers, and the decimal point is after these numbers. So whenever we read numbers after the decimal point, we have to read them as we see them. Okay? As we see them. Okay, let's read the numbers. Let's practice. So, read these numbers. 314. What do you see? Point. Yes. What do you see? Many of us tend to read the numbers the whole way, just like this way. 314.123. So there's no difference between these two. But we have to write it in this way. 314 point, what number do you see? 1. What number do you see? 2. What number do you see? 3. So 314.123. Otherwise, if you write 123, means both sides will look the same. So there is a difference. After decimal point, you write the numbers as you see them. 46.23, not 23, 23. 367.105. Now let's get back to the questions. So today, children, we are going to learn how to express the decimals in words. So there's no decimal here, there's no decimals here. Let's read this number, 456. So we write 456. Okay, that's how we should write in words or express in words. There's no decimal point, so we have these are all whole numbers. Remember that if there's no decimal point, those are whole numbers. If there is a decimal point that separates, means before the decimal point it's a whole number. After decimal point it's a fraction. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand. How many thousand? 6,000. 6,000. 700, 700 and 9. Now, this is how you should write in words before the decimal point. Now we see numbers that have decimal point. So what do you see? These are only, the place value is 1, so 2. What do you see? Tika point, yes, 2, Point. You must write point also. Point, what do you see? 4. Again, 2.4, 2.4. First, let us read the numbers. 0. Point. 006. 0. Point. 006. You got that? I hope you are understanding now. Here, let's read the number. 0.107, not 107. 107. So let's write it. 0.1. I've written it wrong here. I've written numeral. Let's write that out. 0.107. 107. Okay, let's revise. 456, there's no decimal point, so we write it 456. 6,709, 6,709. 2.4, 2.4. 0.006, 0.006. 0.107, 0.107. So I hope most of you have understood. Remember, if there's no decimals, means that it's a whole number and the decimal point comes only after you have written the numbers. Now when there is a decimal point, for example 2.4, 2 is the whole number and 4 is the fraction. So let's do some more. 75. Let me not read, otherwise I'll be reading the answer. And the last one, easy one. So are we ready? So let's read. 75.15. 1 stands 100. 819.327. 1063. Yes, 008. 76.100. Is it 154? No. We must read it as 154. 76.154. 0.035. Now let's write. So, before the decimal point, 75. 75. What do you see now? Point. What do you see? Take the number individually, one at a time. 1, 5. So 75.15. Let's look at another number. 1 tens, hundreds. How many hundreds? 8 hundreds. 800. And how much? Very good. 19. After 19, what do you see? Yes, point. Don't forget to write point. Point must be written. Point 327. 327. It is very easy. Remember, before there is a point, as you wrote in words before, same way. How much is here? 1063. 1000. You can write and 63 or 63. 1063 point very good. 0, 0, 8. Now let's have a look at this one. What is it? 76.154. Remember to read the number first and then write. 76.154. It's so very easy. Now what do you see? 0.035. Okay? 0.035. So dear children, I hope you have understood. It's very, very easy. Before you write, first read the number and then write. Remember both sides. The first side, before the point, you have to write as you have written before. After the decimal point, whichever number you see, you write. 75 point, what do you see? 1. What do you see? 5, not 15. Is that clear? So I hope you have understood fully. So dear children, this was for today. To see you till the next class, and bye. Take care and stay safe at home.